Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing the recipe of vegetable lasagna using bread slices instead of lasagna sheets. I'm going to start by preparing the white sauce. So for this, add in 3 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan. Once the butter is melted, add in 3 tablespoons of flour and cook this on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the milk. I'm adding the milk in 3 batches. In total, I'm using around 1/4 cup of milk. Once this thickens, add in salt and pepper as per taste, and some mixed herbs or oregano and red chili flakes. And give this a final mix. This is now ready, keep it aside. For the vegetables, add around 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. Then add in finely chopped garlic and saute until it changes color slightly. Then add in the capsicum and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in the boiled sweet corn and broccoli and give it another mix. Now add salt and pepper as per taste, some herbs and red chili flakes, and give it a final toss. Now cut the sides of the bread slices and then roll it until thin. My baking dish is 11 by 8 inches, so as per that I'm using 12 bread slices in total. Make sure that all the bread slices are thin. And finally assemble all the ingredients. You can do this in any order that you like. I have linked all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box down below. Bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. You will know when the lasagna is done once the layer of cheese on top and on the sides is slightly brown. If you like this recipe, please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.